You see, I need somebody, someone who can love and care for me.
This is Roy from MeOnWings. Today I'm in Bangalore and I have for you is GURKHA 4x4 Extreme with 3 doors. It's used by a single owner, driven only 2,000 kilometers and registered in 2020. It's brand new. Let's check this out. It's styled on the lines of the legendary Mercedes G-Wagon. The GURKHA has a timeless appeal. The bold front face, bumpers, front and rear, side cladding and clear headlamps gives it a muscular look. Iska front fog lamps, large outside rear view mirror, steady footboard and 16-inch tubeless tire makes it look macho and is perfect off-road companion. GURKHA 2.2 liter is powered by Mercedes OM611 derived 140 bhp CRDI engine. It is coupled with Mercedes-derived G32 5-speed manual gearbox. It runs on diesel. आपको इसके चारों wheels में coil spring suspension मिलता है, which ensures unmatched ride and handling both on road as well as off-road. The snorkel gives GURKHA a high water wading ability of up to 550 mm, unmatched by any other vehicle in this category. और अगर ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस आप देखते हैं तो ये है 210 mm, जो कि इस कैटेगरी में मेरे ख्याल से सबसे ज्यादा है. Even the engine underbelly, fuel tank, propeller, shaft joints have a shield to prevent damage during off-roading. ये GURKHA जो आप देख रहे हैं ये अवेलेबल है 5 passengers और 1 ड्राइवर सीट के साथ. इसमें 3 दरवाजे हैं इसके. This 4-wheel drive vehicle is sparingly used. And as you can see, it's in absolutely showroom condition. You can call up the number you see now to own this beast. आप कॉल कर सकते हैं जो नंबर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है अभी स्क्रीन पे. And this one is for 8,75,000, which is slightly negotiable. By the way, the ex-showroom price for this GURKHA is 13.5 lakhs. 13,50,000 अगर आप नया खरीदते हैं तो. So this was Force GURKHA 4-wheel drive Extreme. Offer me likes and subscribe me. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications of all such beautiful vehicles that I bring to you. I'm Roy from MeOnWings. Thanks for watching.
You see, I need somebody,